Contact time with an Abbott learner, I think more because of the level of training, needs to be regular and frequent. So we normally recommend, and it's over the years that we felt that this is the best ratio, is 6 hours per week. And it can be 2 3 hour sessions, or 2 hour sessions times by 3, or even a 6 hour session also works quite well. It is more about seeing the learners on a regular basis, meaning every week, for that 6 hours, because they tend to forget from the one week to the following week. And then you will always have to recap, which makes your training program at the end obviously quite longer. So a 6 hour ratio is good for the learner, and most of the time also suitable for production. Most companies can work in that 6 hours and release the guys to us for training. Many companies share these hurdles. Book a quick chat for answers for your site.